Okay, so I'm ready to install some accessories to my OneWheel here. One of the things that happened to me a little while ago is I fell, and it's because my board stopped short. Basically, while I was riding, my board hit the ground, and I went flying. So my goal right now is to install some Fangs, which Land and Surf just sent me. These are the Fang Mini 2.0s, and I'm excited to open them up and install them on my board. And hopefully that will be really good for my riding and hopefully prevent me a little bit from having another fall.
So this is the version 2 Fangs. Two little stickers put on the board with really nice bearings. Looks like some sealed bearings. And so yeah, I'm excited to put these on the board and see how they go. So go ahead and install those. Is to position a washer on the bottom of here as you slide the screw in, and put a washer on top of here so that it's ready to go. Put a washer on top of here until it's ready to go when you slide that wheel in. These Fangs basically have a slot for the little square nut, and they basically go in only one direction. So and it's just to tighten them up with the Allen. And they said that if you needed to, you could use a little bit of Loctite on the screws if you do it. If you're very working very bumpy areas. Bumpy terrain, I should say. Excited about that. Yeah.